Okay, here we go. This is a Tops Knife Wolf Pup XL. It's a 7.5 inches overall length. You get a 3 and 5/8 blade length. Comes with a nice Kydex sheath, belt clip. They advise you do not remove the belt clip on these, and if you want to spin it, you spin it clockwise. This piece is 1095 high carbon steel with micarta handles. Feels excellent in the hand, I must admit. We're just going to hack some wood up for you today and see how it chops. Now, little wolf pup held up nicely. Bunch of wood chunks here for the local squirrels. Give it a few stabs. I got real good penetration on the stab. Thanks for watching.